Our journey begins with caring for our beloved feline friends. Every whisker, every meow deserves a diet rich in animal proteins and essential nutrients. Look for quality cat food that supports their health and vitality. Cats can be a little picky about water, so encourage hydration with clean, fresh water sources. And don't forget the brush. Regular grooming keeps their coats sleek and reduces hairballs. A clean litter box is a happy litter box, so scoop daily and choose the right litter to keep them purring with contentment.